Hi guys, are you looking for the best dog travel crate? In this video, we will show the best dog travel crate. So we are going to be taking a look at the best 5 dog travel crates you can buy. Each has its own features, advantages, and prices to assist you in making the ideal choice. I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best dog travel crates from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Midwest Homes for Pets iCrate. For larger breeds, the iCrate is an excellent option, coming in 8 sizes to fit pups weighing up to 110 pounds. This big kennel received perfect ratings for overall value, setup, user-friendliness, and cleaning ease. It was very easy to assemble. All you have to do is fold it and then wrap it back up when you're ready to store it. Although it appears to be sufficiently solid, we deducted 1 point for durability because it swayed slightly when we tossed sandbags at it. Additionally, when we tugged at the door, it somewhat warped. During testing, we discovered that this straightforward and useful dog crate doors opened and closed with ease. The leak-proof pan that pulls out for effortless cleaning was another feature we liked. Because of its size, this kennel isn't the most portable, but it does have a handy carrying handle. Number 2. Petmate Pet Kennel. Setting up this dog kennel is simple and doesn't require any tools. All you have to do is secure the top to the bottom. Moreover, it is easy to use. The easy squeeze design of the front and top doors makes opening them effortless, and the spring-loaded latches keep your pet safe. It is also quite easy to carry this kennel because of its ergonomic grip. In terms of longevity, color amazed us. A sturdy thermoplastic frame and steel grates are characteristics of the top-load kennel. When we hurled a sandbag at it and used 33 pounds of force to pull the door, it stood up admirably. Despite lacking a pull-out tray, this crate is sufficiently compact to make cleaning it effortless. The larger variant can only hold pets weighing up to 15 pounds, despite the fact that there are 2 sizes available. In light of this, we believe this is a great option for both domestic and travel use if you have a smaller breed. Number 3. Frisco Plastic Dog and Cat Kennel. With a sturdy plastic body and a 2-position metal door lock, this kennel doesn't skimp on security, even though it weighs less than any hard-sided crate I examined. The medium size is only 10 pounds. Even the top and bottom of the door frame have additional holes that can be used to thread zip ties for air travel. Throughout testing, the top carrying handle never seemed like it was in danger of breaking, failing, or pulling off when a 20-pound sandbag was inside. It took a little while to assemble, but it wasn't too hard to thread and tighten the 10 wing nuts. The additional peace of mind I gained from knowing how well made and tightly put together was really appreciated. Number 4. Elite Field 3-door collapsible soft-sided dog crate. For those seeking a portable, lightweight crate, this soft-sided variant is a fantastic choice. The medium dimension of the container measures a generous 30 by 21 by 34 inches. However, it only compresses to 4 inches in width. With its 13-pound weight, convenient carrying strap, and these dimensions, it's ideal for keeping in a closet or car trunk. I was impressed by the locking frame mechanism, even though the fabric construction of the crate isn't as sturdy as the wire, plastic, or wood boxes I tested. My dog food cleanup test revealed that the densely woven polyester was also reasonably easy to clean, with only a small amount of odor left behind after using a paper towel and a simple cleanser. Number 5. Petmate Aspen Pet Porter Dog Kennel. This box has an interlocking grating, a durable design, and is simple to assemble and operate. The metal warped a little when we tugged on it with roughly 68 pounds of force, but we think it would take superdog power to break through the door. It may be difficult to clean every last nook and cranny because the base is largely flat and lacks a pull-out tray. This convenient dog cage fits most airlines' oversized cargo standards and is available in 4 sizes to fit pets up to 90 pounds. It will be necessary to transfer the larger models to a cart, but the smallest 2 include carrying handles. Although some pet owners would choose a wheeled design, overall we believe this is a good choice for travel. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.